Okay, so today we're making some paper toys for your birds so that they can go around and find nesting materials just around the house. You can hang them literally anywhere, and it makes it so the birds can go hunt for the nesting materials and it's not just presented to them. So basically, all you do is you take some newspaper, an old magazine, whatever you want, as long as it's paper, and you just rip strips into it. As many as you want. You can use thin or thick. I usually only do it with like maybe 6 little strips of paper, so it's not too much. And then you just lay them out and tie them in the center. Then once you do that, you can just again hang them wherever you see fit, wherever you have space that you can leave these hanging. And then as your birds fly around, they can come across it and use it, rip it apart, and put it in their nest.